Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive outstanding festive wear collections only for you. So let me display. This one very beautiful one, pure organza, exclusive organza silk base with beautiful reshmi zari weaving buta work all over base with beautiful texture pattern printed one all over and beautiful weaving buta design, reshmi zari weaving buta and exclusive organza silk. And this one full base part, very beautiful smart looks, pure organza silk with soft reshmi zari weaving wide border. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very smart and bright looks, fully zari patch weaving with fine buta work and fully reshmi zari weaving work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, beautiful, bright looks and very comfortable one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving, Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. So very beautiful one, fully festive looks, premium quality, pure organza silk, very exclusive one, pure fine organza silk, premium quality with reshmi zari weaving buta work, same material. And this one full base part, very nice looks, fully festive wear, based for your festive wear, fine organza silk with reshmi zari weaving buta and border design, contrast color maroon shaded with fine golden reshmi zari weaving border. And this one running blouse piece, contrast color running blouse piece, very beautiful one, bright gorgeous looks. And this one is pallu portions, very nice one, reshmi zari weaving patch pallu with fine buta work, very trendy and smart looks, based for your Durga Puja festive wear, very nice one. And this one is border portions, white golden zari border, soft one, summer friendly also, and bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one, smart also. And this one also very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, gorgeous looks also, premium quality, pure handloom silk rayon base, and all over base part is digital printed one with traditional Banarasi weaving border, very nice looks. This one is border and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart looks, traditional fine Banarasi weaving border, very soft, comfortable also, heavy work but soft one, fully traditional Banarasi work. And this one running blouse piece, fully different pattern, running contrast color running blouse piece. And this one is pallu portions, fully fine Banarasi weaving, heavy worked pallu with pom-pom design. And this one is full base part, very nice and fresh looks and fully Banarasi weaving border. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And also same material, very fresh and nice color combination, same pattern, traditional Banarasi weaving border and premium quality, pure handloom silk rayon base, all over printed one, very trendy and fresh looks. And this one is border portions, fully contrast color with heavy fine Banarasi weaving border, and all over base part is printed one, premium quality, pure handloom silk rayon base, and very nice fresh looks. And this one is pallu portions, fully fine Banarasi weaving, heavy worked pallu with pom-pom design. And this one full base part, very soft, lightweight also, bright, smart looks. And this one running blouse piece, fully different pattern, contrast printed running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your gorgeous and smart looks. And this one also, very nice color combination, same material, same pattern, contrast color, Banarasi weaving border, and all over printed one, kalamkari printed one, very nice color combinations, very trendy and smart looks, silk linen base, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with kalamkari printed one. And this one, pallu portions fully contrast color with heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work pallu. And this one, full base part, very beautiful one, contrast color, fine Banarasi weaving border, soft one, smart bright looks. And this one is running blouse piece, fully different pattern, printed running blouse piece. And this one is full base. Nice looks, nice and bright looks, kalamkari printed. And I will suggest this silk material, buta work, weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, very nice one, same material, same pattern, nice color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base with beautiful printed one, very elegant looks also, bright and elegant looks. This one, border portions fully fine weaving design work, Banarasi weaving design work border. And this one is pallu portions, heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work pallu, heavy pallu. And this one is full base part, all over printed one with gorgeous weaving work border, Banarasi border, traditional and very nice one. And this one is all over base part is printed one. This one is running blouse piece, different pattern printed running blouse piece. And this one is all over base, and this portion is border, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks, beautiful one. Also, very bright look, same material, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen base, all over printed one, very nice and fresh bright looks, and nice printed also. And this one is full base part, very beautiful smart printed one, all over base, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen. This one, border portions, and this one is all over base. This portion is pallu portions, beautiful heavy Banarasi weaving design work pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright and gorgeous looks, nice color combinations. This one is traditional Banarasi border, wide border, fully weaving and all over printed. And this one is running blouse piece, different printed. And this one is all over base, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks. And this one, this one also nice color combination, same material, same pattern, different color combinations. And this one is very beautiful and elegant color combinations, all over printed one. Base part is pink, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with Banarasi weaving border and pallu, and all over nice printed looks, very nice trendy looks, traditional and fashionable combined looks. And this one is full base part, this portion is traditional border, contrast color with weaving Banarasi border. And this one is all over this, very nice looks. And this one is a running blouse piece, fully different printed running blouse piece, very exclusive, trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright looks, very beautiful one. And this one also, nice color combinations, fresh looks, yellow shaded, mustard yellow with contrast color, weaving Banarasi border, silk linen material, silk linen with base part is printed one, and border portion is traditional Banarasi weaving border, and all over nice printed looks, very nice one. This one is fine Banarasi weaving design work border. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color with fine weaving design work, highlighted pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright and gorgeous looks. This portion is border portions, traditional. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is all over this, very trendy and fresh looks, nice color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful and fashionable fancy looks, very nice one, premium quality pure handloom organza silk with all over fine silver zari weaving stripes design, all over base is stripes pattern, and this one is pallu portions fully fine weaving silver patch stripes pattern, fine silk weaving patch pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is full base part, very nice looks, fashionable fancy looks, pure organza silk with all over silver zari fine stripes, very trendy and smart looks. This one is contrast blouse piece, fully brocade weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. And this one also very same material, same pattern, very bright and smart looks, fashionable obviously. And this one is nice color combinations, blue shade with silver zari stripes all over base, pure handloom organza silk base. And this one pallu portions fully silver patch weaving patch pallu with beautiful pom-pom design pallu end, and this one is all over base, very lightweight comfortable pure organza silk with stripes design, very trendy and fashionable looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright trendy looks, very beautiful one. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom organza silk with zari stripes, very trendy and smart fashionable looks, and very lightweight also. This one is full base part, beautiful fine zari stripes, golden zari stripes, and this one wine shade, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine self weaving zari stripes pallu, and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart fashionable looks, lightweight comfortable pure organza silk, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, silver zari weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one premium quality pure soft chanderi silk with beautiful printed one, highlighted golden zari half-inch border, and premium quality soft chanderi silk, pure chanderi silk with beautiful printed one, very nice look, soft comfortable lightweight also. And this one is border portions, beautiful golden zari with printed contrast color printed border, and this one full base part and very soft one, smart looks. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful printed pallu, and this one is full base part, very lightweight comfortable smart fashionable looks, elegant also. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy golden butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, premium quality pure chanderi silk with beautiful printed one, highlighted half-inch golden zari border, and all over nice printed one, and very soft comfortable summer friendly obviously, with beautiful smart golden zari with printed border. And this one full base part, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful nice printed pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant soft sober looks, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, silver brocade contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, bright smart look, same material, premium quality pure chanderi silk, highlighted half-inch golden zari border, all over kalamkari printed one, very trendy and smart looks, elegant obviously, and very soft one. And this one pallu portions, premium quality pure chanderi silk with beautiful printed one, this portion is pallu portions. And this one full base part, very soft comfortable lightweight, and this one is border portions, half-inch highlighted golden zari border, all over printed one, this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarosi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and elegant looks. And this one, fully designer piece, very nice looks. Material is tissue cotton material, silver zari weaving border, contrast color dye with fine embroidery work, buta, very trendy and smart looks. White base, off-white base, contrast red border, dye border. This one is full base but very trendy and smart, fashionable looks. This portion is border portion, silver zari fine weaving border, contrast color dye set. And this one is full base but beautiful fine embroidery work, golden zari with contrast color threaded embroidery floral design. And this one, pallu portions highlighted contrast color dye with stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright and smart, elegant looks. This one, full base part, tissue cotton material. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive, trendy and smart, fashionable looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, very nice color combinations, white with yellow contrast, looks very beautiful one. Contrast color dye, silver zari weaving border and all over fine embroidery work. This one, full base part, very nice looks. And this one is pallu portions highlighted contrast silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very soft, lightweight, also tissue cotton material with fine embroidery buta work, contrast color dye with silver zari weaving border. And this one, full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, weaving brocade work, silver zari weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding trendy looks. And this one also, very nice one, same material, same pattern, different color combinations only. White base, contrast green border, dye border, and fine embroidery buta design, very nice look, same pattern. And this one, pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, beautiful fine embroidery floral buta, contrast color dye border with silver zari weaving work. And full base part is beautiful embroidery design. And this one is running blouse piece. And I will show this silk material, silk weaving silver brocade contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart and bright looks. Very nice color combinations, very beautiful one, tissue cotton designer piece, very nice one, same pattern, same material, tissue cotton with beautiful fine embroidery work, zari with contrast color threaded embroidery design, white base, tissue cotton material, pure handloom one with silver zari weaving border, contrast color dye with silver zari weaving border, and all over, fine embroidery designer work, very trendy looks. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, very smart and fresh, elegant looks, all over work, designer work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very smart and trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy and smart looks. For more collections, please visit our website. Our website URL is www.risefashions.com. All the info written in video description, so please follow the description patterns. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, gorgeous looks, Banarasi weaving, traditional border, contrast color, and all over very beautiful printed one, premium quality silk clean base with nice printed fashionable looks with traditional Banarasi border. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color with heavy fine Banarasi weaving, highlighted pallu with pom-pom design and smart bright looks, lightweight, also beautiful saree, blouse and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.